Hello, welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I am Bentley, the social media and content creator at Sallie Tomato, and we are excited to open day 7 of our 2025 Sallie Tomato & Co. box. Day 7, under a deep and starry night, this item will be a standout. Be the first to use this brand new product in a project to reflect your unique sense of style. Today's item is 3 yards of our brand new 1.5 reflective webbing. In today's bag making, webbing is not just a strap, it is a style choice, and with this new webbing, it can also be a tool for safety. This reflective webbing can be used as a fun accent, but because of its reflective design, it can be used for more utilitarian projects for the outdoors, pets, or even fun clothing accents. If you are new to using webbing or want to learn more about what you can do with it, check out our Webbing for Bag Making 101 video. It will walk you through everything you need to know, plus we have a free downloadable guide available as well. We can't wait to see how you use your new reflective webbing, and I know I would love to use it on a fanny pack for running. If you're interested in next year's Sallie Tomato & Co. box, make sure to join our newsletter with the link below so you'll be the first to know when it's released. We'd love to see your creations. Share your completed projects with us using the hashtags SallieTomato and SallieTomatoBox on social media so we can admire your style and creativity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create with your Galactic Glamour supplies.